Good morning, children. We have in our last class started the lesson 5 Animals and their feeding habits. Animals and their feeding habits. Let's once again revise the lesson that we have learned in our last class. Children, animals are grouped into three categories on the basis of their feeding habits. On the basis of their feeding habits. First one is your plant eaters or herbivores. Plant eaters or herbivores. Some animals eat grass, leaves, fruits, vegetables and nuts, so they are called herbivores. Deer, buffaloes, elephant, rats, bats and rabbits are herbivores. See, here the pictures are given. Deer, buffalo, elephant and rat. These animals are herbivorous animals. Now the second one is your meat-eating animals or carnivores. Meat-eating animals or carnivores. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. They are called carnivores as they are eating the flesh of other animals. Frogs, snakes, lizards, owls and tigers are carnivores. Frogs, snakes, lizards, owls and tigers are carnivores. See, here the pictures are given. Carnivorous animals, frog, snakes, owls and tiger. Now the third one is your animals that eat both or omnivorous. Animals that eat both or omnivorous. Some animals eat both animals and plants. They are called omnivorous. Children, some animals eat animals as well as plants. So they are called omnivorous. They eat various parts of plants and flesh of other animals also. They eat various parts of plants and the flesh of other animals. So they are called omnivorous. Crows, bears and human beings are comes in these categories. See, here the pictures is given. Omnivorous, crows, bears and human being. So children, here we have completed the three categories of animals on the basis of their food habits. What are they? They are herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. So now let's continue. The next one, foods for domestic animals. Food for domestic animals. The animals we rear at home or in animals farms are called domestic animals. The animals we rear at home or in animals farms are called domestic animals. Cows, horses, donkeys, goats and dogs are domestic animals. They help us in many ways. They help us in many ways. So we should give them healthy food. So we should give them healthy food. Horses, elephant, camels, donkeys and oxen carry loads for us. They need energy giving food. They need energy giving food. Children, do you know what is domestic animals? The animals we rear at home or in animals farms are called domestic animals. Are called domestic animals. The animals we rear at home. Rear at home. That means to bring up or to breed. Rear means to breed. So the animals we breed at homes or in animals farms are called domestic animals. Cows, horses, donkeys, goats and dogs are domestic animals. Children, as we know that animals are also our friends. They are very useful to us. So we should take care of them also. They help us in many ways. Animals provides us food, wool and leather. Some animals are used to carry load also. Horses, elephant, camel, donkeys and oxen are used to carry load. So these animals need energy giving food as they are carry load, heavy loads. So children, we should also take care of animals too as they are very useful to us and we are getting many things from animals. So here cows, horses, donkeys, goats and dogs are domestic animals and we should also take care of them. See children, here the pictures is given: horse, elephant and camel, how they are carrying load. Cows and buffaloes are gives us milk. They need food like leaves, grass, oil seed and oil cake. We are getting children milk from where? Yes, we are getting milk from cows and buffaloes. So cow and buffalo are also called milk giving animals. So as they are gives us milk, so they also need food. They need food like leaves, grass, oil seed and oil cakes. These are the food of cows and buffaloes. See children, here the cows and buffalo picture is also given. Hens and ducks gives us egg. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. They need protein rich food. They need protein rich food. Children, as you already know that we are getting egg from hens and ducks. So they need protein rich food. What they need? They need protein rich foods. Now the next one is your how animals feed. How animals feed. Feeding habits of animals. Feeding habits of animals depends on the types of food they eat. The structure of mouth and teeth depends on the type of food they eat. Children, now the next one is your how animals feed. How animals feed. Feeding habits of animals. Feeding habits of animals depends on the types of food they are eating. What kind of food they are eating, their feeding habits is depends on it. The structure of mouth and the teeth depend on the type of food they are eating. Depends on the types of food they eating. So children, here the first one is your grass eating animals. grass eating animals. All the grass eating animals, how they are eating their food. Let's see. So, grass eating animals, cows and buffaloes eat grass, leaves, and grains. They have flat and broad teeth. They, these teeth help them to bite or cut their food. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back. Have you ever noticed cows and buffaloes chewing when there is no food in front of them? Cows and buffaloes swallow their food first without chewing it properly. Later, they bring back the food into the mouth from the stomach and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. Sheep, giraffe, and camels also chew the cud. So, children, here the grass eating animals. About this, we will discuss in our next class in brief. So, children, hope you all understand. Thank you.